Who invented the railway engine? A. Charles Babbage. B. Isaac Newton. C. A. James Watt. D. George Stephenson. Answer: Option D. George Stephenson. Solution: in 1825, George Stephenson built the locomotion for the Stockton and Darlington Railway. This was the first public steam railway in the world, and then in 1829, he built the rocket which was entered in and won the Rainhill trials. How many members did the railway board had? A. 3. B. 5. C. 4. D. 8. Answer: Option C. 4. The main objective of British developing Indian railway system was to facilitate the traffic between A. Source of raw material and export centers. B. Source of raw material and ports. C. Source of raw material and production centers. D. Source of raw material and markets. Answer: Option C. Source of raw material and production centers. Solution: the main objective of British developing Indian railway system was to facilitate the traffic between source of raw material and production centers. Percent sub-quota for women under all reserved categories. A. 30, B. 35. C. 33, D. 40. Answer: Option C. 1933. Solution: Railways has introduced 33% of sub-quota for women in the allotment of food stalls at rail premises as a special provision in the new catering policy. Where did Chapman form the committee? A. Glasgow. B. London. C. Edinburgh. D. Lords. Answer: Option B. London.